What is that sound? This might be one of my at least top 5 best screams of all time. Just enjoy, but I do love. This is the pure terror in the screech. It's so wonderful. I can kind of understand this one, to be honest. I'm done on speedrunning. I get it. I get some bits of it, but getting this upset about a game is not healthy. Take it from someone that used to be addicted to video game. I can see the same tendencies, and it's time to stop. Take a good deep look at yourself and what you're doing and what you're spending your time on. Is it really worth it? Is it really bringing you joy and happiness?
How can you hate on them? They're making a lot of money for a good cause. They're playing games.
That's right.